Guys, if you have a '05 Chevy Cobalt, and let me know if you ever had this issue. You put the key in, you start the car, and the key gets stuck. Now let me get this key out. Just give me 1 second. I gotta put the camera down. I'm working with one hand. All right, so I did get the key out, and just FYI, I got it out from, you see that right there, that hole? There's a button inside that hole. It'll take your key out. But anyway, if your key gets stuck in there, I'm gonna tell you what it is that's doing it. And a lot of people say it's the ignition switch, and it's not. You see that silver piece right there? Let me get it to focus. Hold on. You see that silver piece right there? Let me point to it too, just so you can know. It's this one right here, the silver piece. That silver piece is supposed to go up. Every time that you take your key out, there's a rod that's supposed to be in there. Mine fell out. It's a rod that's supposed to make this lift up. Like, it's supposed to just lift up forward. Just like that. It's supposed to lift up. So I'm going to show you the rod as well. This is the rod right here. Hold up, where I'm at now. This is the rod right here. This the one that came. But I'm not going to put this shit back in there, because you know what's going to happen? It's going to come right back up. So I'm just going to leave it there. I know this car is dirty, but it's about to get detailed. So I wanted to make sure everything was good before I detailed it. So anyway, what's going to happen is I'm going to put this on there, a zip tie. And I'm going to hold that rod. I mean, not the rod. I'm going to hold the silver piece up. And just give me 1 second. So just so you can see it, it'll be in there just like this, holding that silver piece up. So it'll never come down again. And I can take the key out. But I'm just going to put it on there. I'm just going to put the zip tie on there. Just give me one moment. All right, guys. So I got it like I wanted. You see my zip tie? You see, I know it's long. I'll cut it. But if you look at it now. You see how I zip tied it up? All right, focus for me, camera. All right, there you go. See how I zip tied that sucker up? I zip tied it up. Now watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, and I'm gonna show you that it works. That I'll remove the key with no problem. So I put the key in. Start the car with no problem. She has so many things on this damn key. But listen, watch this. Works like a charm. No problem. All because of that one piece. Unfortunately, you got to take all this stuff off to get to it. You know? So I'm going to go ahead and detail this car and clean everything up. And look how filthy it is. But I'm going to go ahead and detail everything. And then, yep. Go on to the next issue if I have another one. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope this helped anybody. If you comment on my page, then I'll go ahead and reply to it as soon as I get the email. Thank you.